Hey everybody. Okay, next day. It definitely the other truck definitely has a rod knock. It's not something that we're going to be able to fix within the next couple of days. And the motors hold their value here. They're actually significantly less money back home. The truck's worth more money. Anyways, we're gonna try and list that truck here. Just quickly throw it on Facebook Marketplace, see if we can get our money back out of it. And we found another truck that we might go buy. I've been in talks with my buddy James, who hasn't showed up yet, but we're gonna try and figure something out with a truck and a trailer. In the meantime, I've been working on this Army truck. Runs off of the old water bottle in the carburetor trick, but I can't seem to get the pump to work like properly, the fuel pump. So we're gonna try electric. I'm gonna try an electric fuel pump. So I'll get that plumbed in down there, and we'll try a video of trying to get it to start. All right, so I got a little more development on the old Army truck. I found just a loose vacuum port, or no plug on it. Plug that. I've got an inline fuel pump running. Stuff at the Walt battery, and it seems to start without having to spray absorbent amounts of fuel into the carburetor. So yeah, I set the battery boiling here for a little bit. Take that off, and next I'm gonna see does it still have brakes? Does it go forwards? Does it go backwards? All that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll try it out here and set you guys down. So we've been having issues with it staying running and getting fuel. So we pulled the sending unit out and found that the sending unit's pretty crusty. The end is rusted off. It's plugged with stuff, which made us realize that there was a small hole in the end of it. It was sucking in air, and so Dylan sandblasted it. So I'm going to put a small hose on the end of here for the pickup. Fuel comes through there and then picks it up through the tank. So I cut off the end of there, and I'm going to see if I can get it to sit in the fuel and suck it up. So try and put that together. Alright, so Dylan gave me too much of a hard time about just putting a rubber hose in there, so bent up a piece of metal, welded it on there, clamped the hose to it so it keeps its shape. Two of the bolts broke, put some panhead sheet metal screws in there, there's a metal ring in there, put some gasket maker around it, hose clamp. This tube goes to the filler neck and the bed goes on, so I think this is ready for the bed to go on. And still definitely have some tuning to do on the carburetor. Drove it up and down the road. It kind of pops, and this is when you hammer it. It idles decent once it's warm. Takes a while to start. Starter doesn't sound super healthy either. So, yeah. Okay, I don't know if that'll work, but try. Let's find out.
I think this is what I use to take it off.
Perfect. Going up. Gonna go up a little more and then, oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, I think that's probably all the cable you got. Okay, you can probably go up and in. That'll probably work there, coming forward. Good there. Don't go up anymore. Just come straight forward. Cable.
Yeah, I should be able to just manipulate now at this point.
Okay, cable down.
I'm hanging off. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. It's about center.
Yep.
It probably can go to the passenger side a little bit off. There you go.
Okay, you want to hold on a second?
Yeah.
Look at the filler neck. Okay. Cable down.
Coming down.
back riveted in or bolted in?
Honestly. I'm gonna say screw. Yeah.
Is on top.
Look at the shadow. Look at the shadow on the hood. Oh.
Lizard. There she goes. A nice man from Florida came and bought it from us, bailed us out. We made a couple $100 on the whole ordeal. Bought a boat. I'm sorry, this content was too good not to do this. Okay, so the mega cab's gone. The Florida man came and got it. James is here now from Ontario. Picked him up from the airport 20 minutes ago and came straight here. Here it is. It's beautiful. Great. Nothing wrong with it. It's gonna. We didn't have to put a half can of ether in it to get it to start. Disregard these. Those don't need to go anywhere. Yeah, see if it starts on its own. Or if it's.
Jeremy said he replaced the throttle and like the end link.
Yeah. Runs like a 12 valve.
Go ahead. Or after the starter spools down for 68 seconds.
It's like brand new.
Turn it off. Try it again. Shut it off. Try it again. Might be a loose connection or something over there.
Very loose connection. I think that's, is that the cutoff valve there? Or the, no, that's a KDP. No, not kilowatt, but KSB. The thing that heats up to advance the timing when it gets cold.
Yeah, wiring. He said he like pretty much didn't do any of this wiring.
So,
He's like the wiring was never very good.
turn it on again, James. I'm just reliving my 17-year-old. Everyone's good. Mine had a guillotine, not a shut-off valve, like a lever. So, I wonder if it's this very loose wire.
All right, well let's fucking get this home. I don't know why I'm fucking around.
Okay, all right. Sorry, Dad.
You shoot me. You guys gotta get the fuck out of my house.
He hasn't even seen it yet. He hasn't even seen it yet.
This is his fault.
I know. Oh. You wanna know who?
I guess.
Oh yeah, let me get my wallet and stuff.
That would be wise. On that